first of all, thank you for having us. Now, I have two questions as well. I have one question for Converge and one for Ma'am Casey Tandingan. When we hear the word exponential, I guess it means rapid growth, rapid change. And so what change or growth do we expect from Converge? And my second question for Ms. Casey, we have this impression that you are very much particular in choosing the company that you support. And so we would want to know what made you say yes to Converge and to, promoting their company.
Sige po ba ako naman nauna? Para palit-palit po tayo. It wasn't a hard decision to make. Kasi when I was presented with the campaign, nakita ko agad yung mga kasama ko. And I always love championing my roots. Like, whenever I write my songs, kung kaya kong i-incorporate itong Bisaya, ang kaya kong i-kwento yung pagiging Bisaya ko, I always do that because it is part of my identity. So for Converge to really reach out, not only through ads, means a lot to me. And so I really wanted to be part of that movement. Kaya it wasn't a hard decision to say yes, and I'm grateful and I'm just excited for what is to come para sa Converge and for Exponential. Yes.
Thank you, Ms. Casey.
Would you mind repeating the question?
My question for Converge, sir, is when we hear the word exponential, to us it means rapid growth, rapid change. And so what kind of change or growth do we expect from Converge moving forward, especially that you have this exponential tour?
Yeah, that's a very nice question. One thing that we can promise for the people of Bicol, not specific for Naga, it just so happened na nandito kami ngayon. And if you can see, there's a lot of people here wearing FiberX Converge. Kaya sila nagkalat dyan. We are bringing more infrastructure, bringing more people na magpo-promote ng Converge, and we are enhancing our network connectivity to bring better service to the people. Naga is not foreign dun sa nangyaring bagyo last year, and it affected the Bicol business of Converge as well. Now we are rising from that, and that's one of the main reasons why we have our marketing team here. We are planning to rebuild the image of Converge, and that will be coupled with our technicians, with our people on the ground, para buhayin ulit ang image ng Converge for the whole of Bicol.
Thank you, sir. By the way, I'm Antoinette Adorado po from RMN DWNX. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Tim, of course, KZ and Antoinette, our friend from the media, you're very articulate. You sound like you could run for the